Hey, how you doing, econ teachers? I want to make a quick video to give you an update of what I'm working on. I haven't posted very many videos lately because I'm working on the back end on a new product that I think you and your students are going to love. It's not ready yet, but it's coming soon. That said, I just posted a new unit summary video for Microeconomics Unit 3. It's on my YouTube channel and inside the Ultimate Review Packet. Also, remember, I created a brand new aggregate demand supply worksheet for Macroeconomics Unit 3. If you haven't seen that, take a look at it. It's in my AP Macro Worksheets. As you might have heard, I have two different types of workshops. First, there's the Online Economics Institute. This is just like one of those AP Summer Institutes, but I pre-recorded a bunch of videos talking about strategies, activities, things to make your class awesome. And we also do live webinars every quarter so you can ask me questions and I can give you the help that you need. It's really great for you newer teachers that are trying to get used to teaching economics. Again, that's the Economics Online Institute. You can sign up for it right now. There's a session for macroeconomics and microeconomics, and again, it's all online. The in-person workshops are held here in San Diego and they focus on strategies and activities. These are by far the most fun thing that I do. I get to meet with you other teachers who love economics. We get to develop and do a bunch of activities to get your students excited about economics. There's going to be two sessions, one micro, one macro. Microeconomics is July 7th through the 8th. Macroeconomics is going to be July 9th to the 10th. When you sign up for my in-person workshop, you also get access to the Economics Online Institute. All the details are on my website. The link is in the description below. That's it for now, but stay tuned for the announcement for the big project I'm working on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.